Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for Physics Boards Class 12. First, thoroughly understand your syllabus and the exam pattern. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to focus on. Next, dedicate time to mastering fundamental concepts. A strong grasp of basics makes advanced topics much easier to tackle. Finally, create a realistic study schedule. Consistency is key, so stick to your plan daily for optimal progress and less stress. To excel, consistent practice is essential. Regularly solve a wide variety of numerical problems to build your problem-solving skills. Don't forget to practice derivations and conceptual questions from your textbooks. These are crucial for a deep understanding. Once you feel confident, attempt previous year's question papers under timed conditions. This simulates the actual exam environment and helps you manage your time effectively during the test. Effective revision is vital for retaining information. Frequently revise all formulas and key concepts to keep them fresh in your mind. Creating concise notes for each chapter can be incredibly helpful for quick last-minute review sessions. Most importantly, never let doubts linger. Clarify any uncertainties immediately with your teachers or classmates. Addressing these promptly prevents misunderstandings from building up and ensures a solid understanding. As you approach the exam, remember to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Proper sleep and a balanced diet are crucial for your focus and well-being. On the exam day itself, stay calm and confident, trust in your preparation. And speaking of staying prepared, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you hydrated and focused. Remember to read questions carefully and manage your time wisely during the test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.